Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy LB and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And I hope you're doing well. Guys, today we're gonna talk about color grading in Davinci Resolve. So guys, this is my first tutorial in Davinci Resolve and I hope it's gonna be useful to you. And I'm going to show you how you can create some basic color grading from scratch. And if you are a beginner for Davinci Resolve, just you can look some steps. How am I going to color grade this footage? As you see here on my Davinci Resolve, I have some clips which looks in this way. So I shot this video by using Canon EOS R and lens 16 to 35 1.8 stigma. And I'm going to show you how you can start from scratch. So as you see here, I'm in color workspace. Yeah, let me call it as workspace because, for example, you come here for workspace and then you switch to this page. Here there is some different workspace. If you want to edit, you can use this edit or using Shift+4. For fusion, for color, it is Shift+6 by shortcut. For entering media, it is Shift+2. Yes, you can use any workspace you want, depend what kind of editing you are using. So now, as you see here, I'm in a color workspace because I'm going to color grade my video. So this is my clip which I'm going to use. So here I have some node which I'm going to use, but I will not use one node only. So I have to create many nodes which I'm going to use. So by creating another node, you have to click or you have to hold Alt+S on your keyboard to create another node. Okay, you can create the many node, depend what the number of nodes you want. Okay, so let me start it by here one. Okay, and I have to come here on this list of FX color. So I have to click this color space transform. So you have to move this color space transform on this node one and then you drop it here on this node one. Okay, already guys, you receive some settings which looks like this. Cause guys, remember as I told you, I use Canon EOS R. Okay, this is an S-Log of Canon EOS R. So for here input color space, here there is kinds of camera, depend what camera you use. As I told you, I have been used camera, or I have been used the Canon EOS R. So now I have to find the Canon Cinema Gamma. So this Canon Cinema Gamma, you have to choose. Okay, you see how my clip is, and then for this input gamma, and you have to choose Canon log. Okay, here I have some different logs, log 1, log 2, log 3. So let me choose Canon log. Okay, you see on my video clip there is some changes. Let's come back here for this output space. For this output space, and I have to choose this reg 7709. Okay, and this output gamma, I have to choose like gamma 2. This is nice guys. As you see, this is after, then this was before without adding this color space transform, and then this is after. Okay, and then let's jump on second node. Okay guys, as you see here, there is some primers colorways. Okay, it is located on this icon. Here I have another wheels, here I have another setting of color grading, and here too, and here too. Okay, so you have to come back here for these primary colorways. Okay, because they have some different this primary colorway is for you, help you for adjust light. Okay, because it has light, saturation, contrast, mid, pivot, yeah, and etc. So let me come here for this color boost. If you want to increase some saturation or decrease, you have to use this color boost. Yeah, something like this. Okay, and I have to increase a few little bit. And then for this highlight, I can decrease some highlight because it have more highlight, something like this. So you have to decrease in order to balance your light. Okay, at this one, and I have to increase the contrast. When you increase the contrast, the highlight becomes also, and you have to try to reduce this highlight, okay, just like this, okay. And then for this whole, I can put it here on 50, and then these MIDI details, and you try to zoom, you see how this MIDI trade is. At least I think you are seeing some changes on my clip, okay. Yes, this is nice, okay. And this is after. So this is before, this is the before, and then this is after, okay. And this is the before for the first node, and this is after, okay. So let's continue on the third one, guys. As you see here on my video clip, I have some different colors. I have green, red, yellow, black, white, yes, brown, and etc. So now for this third node, I can increase some saturation of any color which I want. For example, let me start it by here. For this green, I want to increase green, or just I want to change this green color, okay. So now I'm going to focus on green color which is on my footage. So I came here for this tool, okay, and then I'm gonna pick the green color here, okay, you see. So let's come back here on the 3 points, go here on highlight, and then choose on highlight, okay. So now, and I'm going to choose this green color by using those 3 settings: hue, saturation, and luminance. Let me try to increase the green, the green which I have in my clip. Yeah, the green, you have to balance it, this setting well, until you reach on green color. And then you have to back here on this highlight, or you can click Shift plus H, okay. So when you come back here, when you have already selected this green, you have to come back here, and then you come here for this who versus who, okay. I'm not going to use this who versus who, and then you have to click on this who versus that, okay. When you increase green, guys, so you have to choose green here too, and then you try to increase in this way. So let me just come back here on this highlight, okay, and then come back on these settings. You see there is some changes on my color, okay. Let me come back here on this green who versus that, okay. Try to increase green color here, yeah, something like this. So when you come back, or when you click Shift plus H, you see it is green only, which brings some change on my color, okay. So, and here you can pick another color you want, if you want to increase or if you want to change their color. For example, on this green, if I want to change this green, I can come back here for this who versus who, and I can change some colors. You see, guys, there is some change on my green color, okay. If you want to change into blue, yellow, something, if you want to pick any color you want, okay, this is cool. So let's come back here on this 4th node, guys. As you see here on my footage, there is some yellow here on this wall, because I just want to reduce this yellow, okay. So I have to come back here on this 4th node, and then let me go here to adjust the white balance for temp, okay. You have to decrease something like this. Yes, and if you can increase too in this way. Oh, let me try to decrease, to move one small number. Okay, yes, this looks nice. So let me create another node. Hold the Alt plus S. This node, it is for contrast. Yes, for contrast and reducing these highlights. Yeah, let me decrease this color boost. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, this is good. So guys, this is how you can create this color grading for beginners in Davinci Resolve. So if you're a beginner, please, you can practice these steps which have been showing you. Okay, so when you mute all these nodes, okay, this is how my clip it is before. Okay, so and then this is after adding these 5 nodes. Guys, you can use many nodes you want. You can use 2, 3, 10, 15 nodes you want. Okay, depend what kind of color you are color grade. Okay, guys, please, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop the comment down below and let me know what you think. See you in next video. Peace.